Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Joche and I'm your go-to girl for all things real. Today's video is going to discuss how to make ad-friendly YouTube videos. I felt like it'd be helpful for you who are trying to make more money on YouTube. Just because you are monetized does not mean you receive a payout every single month. You have to be actively making content, and the content must be ad-friendly or you will not get paid. I actually made a video about things that I wish I would have known before getting monetized. I'm going to link that on the card below, as well as the playlist that has all my different YouTube advice videos, so that if you want to learn a little something from your girl, you can check those out after you get through watching this one. To give y'all a little bit of understanding about YouTube and everything like that, I highly recommend that you check out the YouTube community guidelines. The YouTube community guidelines really give you an understanding of what they consider ad-friendly. And some things have changed. Back before 2017, you used to be able to make videos about anything and ads would overlay on your videos. But once they updated those rules and guidelines, they became really sensitive about the type of material that is ad friendly. So I'm gonna give a couple of tips, ideas to get your juices flowing and rolling, and you can determine for your niche what is best for your channel. So for me, I am an advice channel. I cover real talk, lifestyle, and reviews. And here I've noticed that most of my content that has made me money, not just views, but content that has made me money, have been about products or items, maybe services that I have purchased and or used that are relevant to buying something. So my most viewed video on my channel is a video about how to get rid of a piercing bump overnight. That video has over 160,000 views. It has several thousand views on a monthly basis, and it definitely contributes to me having over 4,000 hours of watch time every month. If you want to see some tips on how to increase watch time organically, not without, sub for sub, watch for watch, all that type of stuff, check out the video on my iCard again once you get through watching this video. But this video that I did basically tells you how to make a solution to get rid of a nose bump. Now, one of my other highly viewed videos, I want to say it's my second highly viewed video, is a video about how to clean your nose jewelry. And in those videos, you'll notice that there are ad overlays that show a cleaning solution for piercings that you can purchase. So that video was informational, educational, and it was ad friendly because it gives the advertisers an opportunity to overlay a product that someone can purchase. So going off of that, another thing that you can do is reviewing items. I am about to start reviewing more items, but videos that review items that you've purchased off Amazon, AliExpress, Alibaba, DHgate, those type of videos are going to perform well because it is encouraging people to shop. If you are reviewing a waist trainer, if you are reviewing a clothing item that you purchased, if you're reviewing a product that you use in your home, LED lights, headphones, hair that you purchased off the internet, all of that stuff is going to be ad friendly because it is encouraging people to purchase something. If you have those Amazon referral links in your bio, you are encouraging people to purchase something else. And advertisements are all about getting someone to purchase, whether it is a product or a service. If you have a subscription to makeup or cleaning supplies for the home, maybe random things are selected for you, clothing, any of that type of stuff, those things are advertiser friendly because it's encouraging someone to purchase something and subscribe to a monthly thing that will require them to receive items. Another thing that is also advertiser friendly is when you promote services such as HelloFresh or Uber Eats or DoorDash. Anything where you are promoting something that you can spend money with is going to be ad friendly. YouTube tip videos are also ad friendly. When you make videos about YouTube, those are typically ad friendly as well because they go into the education and the informational niche. And so the advertisements that you'll see will be like informational type ads that are trying to get you to sign up for a course or education type thing. Another type of video that you can do is reviewing restaurants or food, like the Popeye's chicken sandwich. When that was really, really popular, everyone was reviewing the Popeye's chicken sandwich. Some people were going to Popeyes, some people went to Chick-fil-A, some people went to Wendy's, comparing the sandwich and trying to see what sandwich was better. That is advertiser friendly, because you are literally telling people, hey, go out and buy this sandwich, y'all. Don't buy the sandwich here, buy the sandwich there. So anytime that you are doing some sort of challenge that requires you to purchase something, that's going to be advertiser friendly. The same thing goes with these potato chip challenges, the chapstick challenge, basically the hot spicy ramen noodle challenge when that was trending. Anything like that that requires you to purchase an item is going to be advertiser friendly. Another thing that can help as far as ads is if you review items such as electronics. If you purchase the new iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 12, whatever iPhone next generation that's coming out, you're going to get a lot of views and things on that video because you are encouraging people to go buy a new iPhone. I recently reviewed the Amazon Renewed program, and that video took off. It made me realize that when you encourage people to purchase, YouTube likes to push that out. The advertisers want to put their ads on your video. If you are a beauty person, you can review items that you've tried, Black-owned products, popular products that have been released, shampoos, conditioners, gels. I've been seeing a lot of people do the Wetline Extreme Gel and reviewing it on their natural hair. That's advertiser friendly because you are encouraging somebody to try that product out. The key is to get people to spend money of some sort. Now, you can even think of it from the frugal perspective. I am a frugal and fine girl, so when I do fashion videos, when I do hauls on my channel, my spin is frugalness because I am all about saving money. People who help you save money are also advertiser friendly because you're still encouraging people to shop, but you're teaching them how to shop smart. And most people do not live a lavish life, okay? They are just out here trying to get it like the next person. So when you have people that are living paycheck to paycheck, they're trying to make money, they're trying to enjoy themselves and live their lives. If you're teaching them hacks to save money, then you're going to be advertiser friendly. I have one person that I'm subscribed to. I don't want to mess her channel name up, but it's like Downtown on Fifth Ave or something. I'll try to overlay her channel. But she posts videos every single Sunday showing you how to use coupons to save money at Family Dollar, Walgreens. Sometimes she'll do Walmart, Dollar General. It just depends. But she teaches people how to save, and she gets consistent views on a weekly basis because her whole channel is about how to use coupons to save money on items for your home. So understand that the video can't just be selling somebody something. It also has to be interesting, entertaining, valuable, tangible, something you can bring back. So now that I've discussed ways to make more advertiser friendly videos, now I want to talk about some things that may not be considered advertiser friendly and that will result in limited or no ads running on your videos. The first thing is copyrighted music. Copyrighted music is the first way to lose monetization on a video. Now, you could actually have an advertiser-friendly video, but use somebody else's music, and you will lose rights to monetization for the video. All rights and payment for the money made for that video will end up going to the person who owns the song. So a lot of people ask me why I don't really use music in my videos anymore. It's really because I don't want to lose the right to monetize my video because I use somebody else's music. I just don't think that that's fair. I could understand / respect if I had to give like 15% to that person because my substance of my video brings more value than that song being added to the video. If that happens to you, you can either take the video down and upload it again without the music, or you can go to the YouTube audio library and swap your sound out for the video and use their music because you can still monetize the video and use their music. Now, the only thing I'll say with that is if you've already uploaded the video and you were using music in the background, let's say you were doing somebody's hair and you put the music in because you were speeding up the clips and you're not talking, then you end up losing yourself talking because you're swapping out the audio, because your audio and the music audio is going to be muted. So for videos like that, try to save them and save them to your computer, save them to your hard drive if you have that ability. That way you don't have to worry about losing great footage to copyright rules. So the next thing is sensitive topics. Another highly viewed video and playlist on my channel is my Next Planon series. Those videos did outstandingly well in comparison to some of my regular sit-down videos. Unfortunately, YouTube did not like that I was talking about birth control and telling the truth about things that happened to me because of birth control. So those videos have limited ads. I have submitted requests for review. It's just still sitting there. I don't know what they're going to do. But one of my highest videos in that playlist has over 20,000 views, and I'm still getting comments every week. And it's because it's a relevant thing. A lot of women go through that situation. So y'all might be asking me, should I not do videos that are not advertiser friendly? And my answer to that is no. I think that you should do a mix of advertiser friendly videos and a mix of non-advertiser friendly videos, meaning you focus on doing things that will attract advertisers to your channel, but you gotta build your community. You cannot just be transactional with people and think that they are going to be loyal to you as a YouTuber, as an influencer. They have to feel like they know the real you. And if they don't feel like they know the real you, you ain't got to worry about the ads coming, because people are not going to buy things from you that you recommend if they don't like you enough to purchase. You know what I'm saying? Now, there's some things where people are going to search, and searchability is so important. You got to know SEO. If you don't know SEO, then you're going to have good content coming out, but people are not going to be able to find it. I am probably one of the last people that doesn't use additional tools to help SEO. So I've gotten really, really good at manual SEO. I may be using TubeBuddy or vidIQ in the future, but as of now, I do not. But searchable content may result in sales, because if they are interested in purchasing the item that you're talking about, they already have in their mind that they're 75% interested before they click on your video. But when it comes to you as an influencer, let's say you grow on YouTube and you want people to purchase items that you are talking about because you'll get a commission. If your subscribers don't trust you, they don't like you, they're not going to buy it from you. They might even buy the item that you recommended, but they may not click your links. So it's very important to understand that there's a balance needed, but also know that you're going to have to do a little mix. If I wouldn't have done the non-advertiser friendly videos, such as the Next Planon series, such as some of the videos where I did real talk about things that were going on in the world, then I wouldn't have met some of my subscribers that now watch all of my videos. So keep that in mind. Don't lose your organicness in efforts to try to make money on YouTube, but just know that there's got to be a little balance. Now, another thing that's not advertiser friendly all the time is nudity and sexiness. Although sex sells, you can get away with certain brands, certain types of videos. You just have to be careful. When trying on bathing suits, lingerie, sleepwear, shapewear, you want to ensure that you're not showing too much skin. Otherwise, YouTube may not deem the video advertiser friendly. And unfortunately, you don't want to lose the money that you would make on that video, because people are constantly searching for shapewear. They're constantly searching for ways to look good when they don't feel as confident. So you don't want to lose out on the money that you're supposed to be making because your butt cheek was showing and you wanted to twerk. A lot of people have stopped showing the back of their swimsuits if too much is showing. If you would like to see a video showing you guys some of my top earning videos, please let me know in the comments below, and like this video if you'd like to see more YouTube tips from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.